Nivedita is here, and the video prepared is means the topic is microbes in industrial production. See, this is the second video which is covering the chapter 10 of 12th biology, that is microbes in human welfare. Okay, so in the first video I have covered the topic microbes in household products. So in this video we will go through what type of commercial products or industrial products are used for the welfare of human beings and in different sectors. So begin with the beverages. Okay, beverages means the alcohols. So which is used in the alcohol production. See, yeast, which is a um, fungus. Okay, it is a fungus. Yeast is a fungus, and this is used for fermentation process. Okay, in the first video also you have gone to at home also the yeast is used for preparing the different puffy food materials like idli, dosa, and that dhokla and so on. Okay, so this is also used in the bakery industry also, means that is also bakery industry is also one of the topic of industrial products. Okay, so yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, this is the scientific name of the yeast. And not only as ethanol means alcohol, not only it is used for drinking. Okay, you might have heard of wine and so many types, beer and all, many more. So not only for that purpose, but it is the most common solvent, means you can say after the water. Okay, after the water, alcohol is the most common solvent and a raw material used in the laboratory and chemical industry. Okay, so this is why it is having the great importance. And if we are talking of the ethanol, means alcohol which is used as ethanol which is used as drink as well. So that can be produced from so many materials like corn, potatoes, apples, grapes, many more materials, edible materials are there by which that ethanol is or can be prepared. So there are different types of alcoholic drinks. So how do they differ? One, in the source from where they are obtained, and second is the processing method. Okay, some are distilled one and some are non-distilled. Okay, so the categories are like that. So this is the means processing by which different types of alcoholic drinks can be prepared. So this is the alcohol production or industrial use of the yeast. Antibiotics, yes, we know very well antibiotics. We use it for so many bacterial infections. Okay, not only that, it is having a very wide range of use. So well, penicillin is the first antibiotic to be discovered by Alexander Fleming, but its potential use as an effective antibiotic, it was established later on by Ernest Chain and the Howard Florey. Okay, all these three persons means Alexander, Ernest, and Howard. All these three people, they shared the Nobel prizes in 1945 for the discovery. Okay, so and first one very well, penicillin is the uh, penicillin. Okay, penicillin is the first antibiotic and it is produced by the fungus Penicillium notatum. Many more, so many antibiotics are there which are obtained from the microbes. Now the category organic acids, so many organic acids which all are means few of them are tabulated here. Begin with the citric acid. This citric acid is used in food, beverages, textile, pharmaceutical, and detergent industries. Okay, so very wide range of its use. And not only this, it is also used in removal of toxic gases in the air. Okay, and some of the organic acids are given over here, like citric acid, which is under name of the microbe as well, from where it is obtained, like citric acid obtained from the Aspergillus niger, acetic acid from Acetobacter aceti, butyric acid from Clostridium butyrilicum, and lactic acid from the Lactobacillus, and many more are there. These are the few examples. Enzymes category. Okay, commercial scale production enzyme. So many molds are there which synthesize and secrete large quantities of enzymes into surrounding medium. So examples we have of those microbes are Aspergillus, Penicillium, Mucor, and Rhizopus. These are mainly used for enzyme production. Uh, More we will know in the bioactive molecules, and mold enzymes like amylase, invertase, proteases, and pectinase. These are useful in processing and refining of a variety of materials. Okay. Bioactive molecules. This will also cover so many substances like organic acid, enzymes, and so on. So, most few of them are like streptokinase. You know very well, ase means this is enzyme. So, streptokinase enzyme, this is produced by streptococcus, and this is used as clot buster. Clot buster means which clot? Blood clot. Okay, this is used as a clot buster, means this is used for removing clot from the blood vessel of the patient. Okay, so this is streptokinase use. And fungus Trichoderma polysporum, this produces cyclosporin A. Okay, and this cyclosporin A is used as immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant patients. Okay, this will reduce the um activity of immune system at the time of grafting. Okay, organ grafting. And IPSAs, I already told you that this is used in the detergent. Why? Because we know very well that we our clothes can have oil stains. So oil stains can be removed by the detergents because detergent consists of lipase enzymes. You have more examples in the market. We see the bottled juices. They seems to be very clear what type of we prepare at home. So why they are very clearer? So there is a reason, because they have been clarified by the use of pectinase and proteases enzymes. Okay, so that's why they appear to be very clear.